Do you guys even want to hear the rest of the story? Because it's pretty good if you stick around. And don't mind me wearing my dollar store glasses because I can't see up close. But I mean, I've been wearing these things because I can't hear, so that I can hear the phone and everything. But I went and seen my doctor today, and he was very, very pleased. He says, well, I'm 182, so that's 216 pounds I have lost since I began my journey 10 years ago, but 30 pounds that I have lost since October. And I wasn't even keeping track of the months, I keep track of the pounds, and I go from what I was when I began. So I'm very happy. He was very happy. My A1C was 5.3. And last time I saw him 6 months ago, it was 5.5. So it's gone down. But he says that's like within normal range of what, someone who is like my diabetes is in remission on Manjaro. And I'm just thrilled about that because it's made such a difference in how I feel. Yeah, I think it gets rid of what they call the food noise. Yeah, we love that. Gone, don't we? That food noise, that's the best thing. That's the best thing about Manjaro. It shut that food noise right the hell up. I couldn't do it for years on my own. Nothing worked to shut that up, and now Manjaro, it pretty much shut it the hell up. I don't know how this is going to end up edited, but because it is shot night, Manjaro 12.5. And yeah, my phone keeps telling me it's too full. So it keeps stopping on me, and I'm just getting little bits and pieces. So I'll try to get as much out as I can. So it's Thursday night. It is shot night. Take off the base. Since I didn't one time, I like to tell everybody. And then you have to turn the top, unlock it. Find a good piece of meat. Whatever. And there you go. I say, wait a while. But anyway, I never filled nothing. Thank goodness, Ida. And I'm not afraid of shots. So yeah, I'm happy to be on my Manjaro. I'm happy that it's got my diabetes in remission. I am happy that it's just made such a big difference in my life because, like I say, it's helping with the food noise. So I don't feel like, I don't want to eat all the time. I had a few things I wanted to talk about. Okay, I did tell you that my weight is 182. So I'm getting down there. I'm really getting close to goal, which is, that's 216 pounds from when I began 10 years ago when I was in a wheelchair. I'm Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. 10 years ago, I was in a wheelchair, 398 pounds. Did I know it for sure? Who knows? I could have been higher than that. But, the scales didn't go that high back then. Back in those days. But, yeah, I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy. I got myself out of the wheelchair. No more walkers, no more canes. And yeah, my life has changed, and it's been amazing. And Manjaro is helping me get to my goal. I'm really happy to be there. And there's so many things going on in my life that I want to share. I mean, I am in a millionaire's book. Can you believe that? I am in Arlan Hamilton's book, page 80 to 85. Her Arlan's Revenue Playbook, how she teaches you how to how to turn what you know into reoccurring revenue without burning out. And I'm in it. Now, I read her first 2 books. I'm almost done with this one. It's amazing. It's just stories of all the people that are in Arlan's All Access. There's 22 of us that she sends stories of. and shared, you know, what we're doing and how we're working together and our stories of how we're trying to build our YouTube channels and everything. And I am an ambassador affiliate for Arlan. I started about a month ago. There's a link down below. My Calendly link. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. But it is, you know, if you want to talk to me about Arlan's All Access annual joining. There's a few different programs that I'm actually an affiliate for her for. And, you know, Arlan's just amazing. And being in Arlan's All Access has changed my life. Oh my God, it's just changed my life. It's such a wonderful community of just amazing ladies. Amazing ladies. And man, there's a few men in there. We're getting more every day, and they're amazing too. And we're just learning from each other. We're helping each other grow, building memberships, building YouTube channels, building businesses. It's an amazing, amazing group. And she's got another group too, platform membership she started. Your first 5,000, I joined it too. So I have a link down below for that. Yeah, I'm in everything anymore, you guys. I am building my life. I really am. Subscribe. Follow me. I'm going to show everybody how I'm changing my life. A lot of you know, if you've seen my videos, that I am getting divorced. Moving away from my 38-year marriage that has gone way downhill. But it'll be a good thing because the future looks bright ahead. It looks very bright. Because as my friend says, Debbie can be whatever Debbie wants to be. She's got a little bee theme she started for me. She bought me this cup, Queen Bee. Has a crown and everything, crown lid and everything. So I celebrated. The badass baby boomer celebrated by getting this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, my little bee tattoo says "Be Free." My little bee's buzzing around. And you guys, my daughter did it freehand. She's just now learning. So it's her first tattoo. My first tattoo at 64 years old. Her first tattoo really doing, besides practicing on these skins. So, I mean, it was so much fun. It was so much fun doing it with her. And, I mean, it's getting a little, I'm at the itchy stage. Oh, I see a little bit of itchy stuff coming off. But be free. Free of 216 pounds and free of 38 years of, yeah, a lot of stuff that shouldn't have went on. But it doesn't matter now because everything is looking up. My whole life's looking up. Everything's looking up. I have a lot of opportunities. And I'm hopefully gonna grow. And I'm hopefully, you know, my channel's gonna grow. And I did start another channel too called Starting Over. And that one is gonna be more about divorce and starting over after 38 years of narcissistic behavior and domestic violence and just, you know, starting over. It's going to be the best part of life now is coming. Best part of my life is coming. I'm almost 65 years old. My girlfriend invited me to Hawaii for August 30th. To September 14th, everything paid for. And my birthday is September 10th. And this old woman's going to be sitting on a beach in Hawaii drinking a pina colada on her 65th birthday, September 10th. Come join me. I mean, Kona, Hawaii, we're going to be there. Gosh dang, wouldn't that be fun to have a bunch of my subscribers show up? That would just be amazing. Oh my God. And we're going to go see volcanoes. She's going to take me all around. It's going to be the vacation and trip of a lifetime. Because Debbie Garcia has hardly been out of Idaho. Swear to God. I worked in Yellowstone. That was like a vacation for about 8 years. Kind of. Yeah, it was. It was amazing. But Idaho, Montana. Basically, I have not been hardly anywhere. This is a dream vacation going to Hawaii. A trip I've always wanted to make. Everybody's like, oh my God, you're going to love it. And I am so excited because a lot of people have already been there and they just said, you're just going to love it. And my friend's going to show me all kinds of things because she used to live there. So she knows all these little towns and little ins and outs that the tourists don't get to see. So, and we're there for 2 weeks. I mean, happy birthday to me. Something to look forward to. So I told my doctor today, I'm just going to be working out at the gym. I'm just going to be doing my water aerobics, walking so that I can walk up and down the beaches with no problems with these old legs. Yeah, my 2 new knees. I'm just going to build. And I mean, I'm just excited. I'm excited for life. There's going to be so many good things, and I'm going to just get very zen and very peaceful and study I'm meditating. I've been meditating for a long time, and I do my grateful journal every morning. I start my day and my exercising, and it's going to get more. I'm going to get a lot better at it since now the cataract surgery, the eyes are healed. Well, not completely healed, but close enough that I can do the activities that I used to do. Yes, I'm getting back to life, people. This last few weeks has just been kind of a nightmare, and it's not over yet, but it's going to get a lot better. It's step by step, and I'm going to share it all with you guys, or most of it anyway, on what I can. So, yes, follow me, subscribe, do all those things, that they say. Comment down below if you're having, what's going on with you? I mean, tell me, really, what is going on with you? Are you losing weight? On Manjaro, is weight an issue? I got my Calendly link down below. Okay, I had speech therapy lessons all the time and up to like 6th, 7th grade. From the time 2nd grade, and I still can't talk. But Debbie can be anything she wants to be. Who cares if she can't talk, right? I love you guys. I really do. Everything's just gonna be amazing. Because we're gonna be free. Free of all the negativity. We're not letting anything get us down anymore. We're just gonna keep rising to the top. Because that's what we do as Phoenix, or whatever you call it. Yeah. As badasses. That's what we... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. I love you guys. Let's just keep on rocking. And we designed it ourselves. It's one of a kind.